our final proportionality theorem will be using parallel lines and transversals. So we talked about what transversals are. Again, transversals are just lines that will cross or traverse through multiple lines and they're intersecting it. So this line here, these two lines are our transversals. So if three or more parallel lines intersect two transversals, so we have two here, they cut off the transversals proportionally. Okay. So each of these chunks are proportional to the other side of the transversal if all of these lines are parallel. Okay, so let's see what patterns and proportions we could set up. AB over BC. So let's take a look at AB, and BC. Okay, so if I'm matching up to the other side, AB is corresponding to DE, and BC is corresponding to EF. So the proportion would equal DE over EF. AC over DF. Okay. AC over DF. You can set up multiple here, but one of them you can set up would be AB over DE. Another that you may be able to set up here, you can see BC and EF. Take a look at this one. AC and BC. So AC and BC. So let's try to match those up to the other side. AC seems like it's a full length covering two parts. So the other side would be DF. Okay. BC, this is the bottom part here, which is corresponding to EF. So AC over BC equals DF over EF. Okay. Alright, so let's take a look. We want to find the length of DE in number 5. So we have a couple lengths given to us and some angles, but I think they're made to throw us off. Okay. So those angles here, we can see they create parallel lines because we have alternate interior here, we have verticals, and we have alternate interior. So these are all equal, meaning that we have 3 parallel lines. So let's look at what we have. We have 21, 28, and 32 labeled for each of these sides. Okay. And we want to find DE. So an easy proportion to set up here. Again, it looks kind of lined up already for us, but we can do 21 over 28. And we would just have to match it on the same side on the other transversal. So 21 was at the top. The missing length that we want is at the top also, so I'm going to put DE on top. And on the bottom, 28 was on the bottom, which matches up with 32. With this, I'm going to cross multiply. So I get 28 DE equals 672. Divide by 28, DE equals 24. 24. So those are the last theorems for the proportionality theorems.